Hello kids, welcome back to our fun learning channel. Today we are going to learn something very important in English, nouns and verbs. We will learn them with colorful pictures, so get ready. Noun. What is a noun? A noun is the name of a person, place, animal, or thing. If you can see it, touch it, hear it, or even think about it, it is a noun. Examples like girl, cat, toy, apple, house, car. All these are nouns because they are names of things. Verb. What is a verb? A verb is an action word. A verb tells us what someone is doing. Examples like running, eating, jumping, sleeping, drawing, dancing. If someone is doing something, that word is a verb. See kids, a noun is the name of something, and a verb shows an action. Here are some examples. Cat, running, boy, eating, apple, falling. Picture game. Now let's play a quick game. Look at the pictures and tell me, is it a noun or a verb? Baby, writing, elephant, kicking, school, cycling. The correct answer is the word baby, elephant, and school is a noun, and the word writing, kicking, and cycling is a verb. Great job, you're doing amazing. Now choose the correct answer. The word jumping is a noun or verb. Yes, jumping is a verb because it is an action. Good job, kids. So kids, remember, a noun is a name, and a verb is an action. Both are super important in English. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning videos.